Your Apple TV just changed forever. If you turn on your television today, you might notice something huge is missing. Apple just quietly released tvOS 26.4. This update is absolutely packed with massive upgrades and secret new features. It also includes a few very controversial changes that you need to know about right now before you do anything else. We are talking about permanently deleted apps and a completely new way to watch your favorite sports. There are even secret codes hidden in the software hinting at major car upgrades. Most importantly, there's a massive clue that a brand new AI-powered Apple TV is just around the corner. You really do not want to miss the hidden settings in this update that will finally fix your home theater audio issues. Let us dive right into everything new and crazy in tvOS 26.4. The biggest shock right out of the gate is your home screen. If you go into your Apple folder right now, you will see it looks a little empty. Apple has officially pulled the plug on the iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps. They are completely gone. For a while now, these apps have been pretty useless anyway. Ever since the older updates, opening them just gave you a message telling you to use the main Apple TV app instead. Apple even gave us a setting to hide them in the past. But now, they are deleted for good. This was not a sudden surprise if you were paying attention. Apple warned us this was coming. They told users that the old iTunes wish list feature was dying out. They said we needed to move our wish lists over to the Apple TV app watch list. A watch list is not exactly the same thing, but it is the new standard going forward. If you have not updated to tvOS 26.4 yet, you should do it very carefully. Make sure you manually transfer your old iTunes wish list items first. You do not want to lose all your saved movies forever. This marks the end of an era for how we buy media on Apple devices. Now, let us talk about a major visual upgrade that you will actually love. This update brings massive improvements to subtitles. It is all about giving you much more control over how you watch your favorite movies. To see this, open the Apple TV app and play any movie or show. When you bring up the subtitle menu, you will see a brand new style section. You can click an arrow to see more options. Apple gives you some great presets right away. You get classic large text, outline text, and a transparent background. The transparent one looks incredibly clean on the big screen. But the absolute best part is that you can now make your own custom styles. There is a Manage Styles button at the very bottom of the menu. Clicking this takes you straight to the accessibility settings. Here you can build a totally custom subtitle style from scratch. You can name it whatever you want to keep things organized. You can change the font size to perfectly fit your eyesight. You can pick exact colors for the text. You can even change the background opacity to your exact liking. If you want a neon green font with zero background, you can totally do that. It even has advanced options for text edge style and highlights. This makes reading text on screen so much easier for everyone. Just keep in mind this works perfectly in the Apple TV app. It also works in any app using the default video player. If an app like Netflix uses its own custom player, you might not see these exact styles just yet. Apple is also finally fixing one of the most annoying problems for home theater fans. They added a new continuous audio connection feature. If you use HDMI for your audio, this is a total game changer for your setup. You can find this by going into your settings. Then go to Video and Audio. Look for the Audio Format section under the HDMI output heading. This feature was built to make everything run much smoother. It is especially helpful if you have Sonos speakers in your living room. However, it helps almost any modern home theater setup. Apple says it uses a Dolby MAT connection. This creates a completely seamless transition between different audio formats. Before this update, your receiver might click or cut out for a second. This usually happened when switching from standard audio to Dolby Atmos. Now, the connection just stays active. Your old receiver might always say is playing Atmos now, but do not worry about that. The original audio format will still play exactly as it was intended. It just stops those highly annoying audio DRO. P.S. If you ever have weird sound issues or delays, turn this setting on immediately. It fixes so many common setup problems that have bothered Apple TV users for years. Sports fans, this next part is incredibly huge for you. Apple is taking live sports very seriously this year. In the United States, they just added massive enhancements for the sports tier. If you love Formula One, your life just got so much easier. You can now follow live and on-demand Formula One events directly inside the Apple TV app. You do not have to jump between 3 different streaming apps just to find out when the next big race starts. Everything is finally in one convenient place. You can even use Siri to ask for F1 schedules and driver information using just your voice. It is a seamless experience that saves a lot of time. Apple clearly wants the Apple TV app to be the only place you ever need to go for entertainment. But the Apple TV experience is not just staying in your living room anymore. Codes hidden deep inside the new update are revealing something absolutely crazy. Apple is actively working on CarPlay video support. Yes, you heard that right. The internal code shows that you will soon be able to sign into the Apple TV app on your iPhone. Then you can watch full movies and TV shows right on your car's digital dashboard screen. Obviously, this will only work when you're safely parked. You cannot watch TV while you're driving down the road. But this is still a huge step forward for commuters and people charging their vehicles. Tesla vehicles already let you watch video on their big screens. Apple is finally catching up to the competition. They teased new CarPlay features at the last developer event. Video playback was one of them, and we are finally seeing the real code for it now. It might take a while for car makers to fully support it, but the future of car entertainment looks amazing. Let us get back to the current Apple TV box in your house. This new tvOS 26.4 update finally fixes a terrible, completely awful bug. Beta testers have been suffering for weeks with this exact issue. Many users found that popular streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu were completely broken. The apps would just freeze randomly during the best parts of a movie. They would buffer forever, even if you had extremely fast internet at home. Sometimes the screen would just go completely black for absolutely no reason. When a video finally came back on, the visual quality would be horrible and super blurry. It truly ruined movie nights for a lot of families around the world. Thankfully, Apple actually listened to the angry feedback. The official public release of tvOS 26.4 completely destroys this bug once and for all. Video playback is smooth and reliable again. This massive fix applies across all your favorite third-party apps like Disney Plus and Paramount. Apple also made a big change to how the Apple TV app works on your other devices. This includes your Mac, iPhone, and your iPad. When you open the app now, you might see a brand new splash screen popping up. It proudly shows off new features like the MLS and Formula One support. But the real change you will definitely notice is the autoplay feature. Autoplay videos are literally everywhere in this new software version. It used to be that videos only played by themselves at the very top of your screen. Now, as you scroll down through the different sections, videos will just start playing automatically. If you stop on the Home tab, a video plays. If you scroll down to New Seasons, another video plays. It makes the entire app feel very alive and highly dynamic. Some people absolutely love this because it helps them see what a show actually looks like before clicking. Some people deeply hate it because it can be super distracting and loud. But it is definitely a much more active browsing experience than we ever had before. All of these software updates are great, but what about new hardware? This is where things get really interesting for collectors and hardcore tech fans. The Apple TV actually just turned 19 years old. Happy birthday to the smart device that started it all. But on its exact birthday, people noticed something very strange happening at the Apple Store. Inventory for the current Apple TV is running dangerously low. Stock for the HomePod and HomePod Mini is also dropping incredibly fast around the world. This is a massive clue that something major is happening behind the scenes. At Apple, the last Apple TV hardware came out in October 2022. In the fast-moving tech world, 4 years without a hardware update is an entire lifetime. The current Apple TV is still very fast and works great for most normal people. However, a hardware refresh is long overdue if Apple wants to stay on top of the market. A lot of insiders strongly think Apple is clearing out old stock right now. They're making room on the shelves for something truly revolutionary. We're talking about a brand new, highly advanced AI-capable Apple TV. Imagine a sleek device with an ultra-powerful smart chip that handles advanced AI tasks right there in your living room. It could mean a totally redesigned visual interface that actually thinks for you. It could mean Siri finally becomes incredibly smart, fast, and actually helpful. It is a huge coincidence that global stock levels dropped exactly on the 19th anniversary. Maybe they will drop the new one very soon. Or maybe they will wait for the big 20th anniversary next year. Either way, something completely new is definitely coming to your living room. We might find out the real truth very soon because Apple just announced the WWDC 26 Developers Conference. It kicks off on June 8th. That is the exact day we will see the very first look at tvOS 27, iOS 27, and macOS 27. It is going to be a massive, world-changing event for the entire Apple ecosystem. Until then, tvOS 26.4 has one more amazing trick up its sleeve. It is called Genius Browse. It is a brand new, highly intelligent recommendation tool built right into the Home tab. We all know exactly how hard it is to pick a movie on a Friday night. You spend an hour scrolling through endless lists and end up watching absolutely nothing at all. Genius Browse completely fixes this modern problem. It gives you a beautiful row of content categories based perfectly on the vibe or mood you want right now. It pulls movie and show suggestions from everywhere. It looks at Apple TV, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and more. It mixes them all together to give you the perfect personalized recommendation for that exact moment in time. There's just one big catch you really need to know about. Netflix is not included in this feature at all. Netflix completely refuses to let Apple tap into its private app data for these kinds of tools. So, you will not see any Netflix shows appearing in Genius Browse for now. Also, right now, this feature seems to be strictly locked to the US market. Users in Canada, the UK, and other places are not seeing it pop up yet. But it is a brilliant feature anyway. It might be a massive hint at exactly how a new AI-powered Siri will help us find content in the near future. Finally, do not forget to check the security notes for this new update. tvOS 26.4 comes packed with highly important security patches. These background updates keep your device completely safe from hackers and strongly protect your personal data. Always keep your smart devices updated to the latest version to stay secure. The exact build number might change slightly depending on when you actually download it, but all the features are firmly locked in. In my honest opinion, this is one of the best updates we have seen in a long time. The subtitle controls and the continuous audio fixes are fantastic, real-world additions. They actually make sitting down and watching movies a much better experience for everyone. Genius Browse is a massive step forward for finally finding things to watch without the endless, boring scrolling. The Apple TV remains the premium streaming box on the market, and this update proves Apple still cares about the living room. My only real disappointment is that Apple still has not added the true audio pass-through feature. Home theater nerds have been begging for this for a very long time. Maybe we will finally get it in tvOS 27 later this year. But overall, tvOS 26.4 breathes amazing fresh life into a device we all use every single day. It makes the Apple TV feel modern, super fast, and fully ready for the upcoming future of AI. If you like this video and found these tips helpful, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.